welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this really cool and funky bobble stitch. So what you want to do first of all is whatever your pattern says. So this will be for the background, it'll usually be a stocking stitch. If you want to go back and learn the stocking stitch, then I'll put a link below to that in the description. My absolute top tip as well is to just be a bit more gentler with your knitting and your tension. So maybe make your stitches a fraction looser on the row before the bobble. Okay, your pattern will, it's usually abbreviated kind of PB, place bobble, MB, make bobble. Okay, but your pattern should tell you that. So let's pretend it's knit 3 stitches and then make the bobble. So this is why I purposely left it a bit looser and you'll see why. So go in to knit the stitch, but we're only kind of going to knit half of it, okay? So you put your yarn round, bring it through, brilliant, but we're not going to pop it off the needle. And then you can keep your yarn behind here. We're going to purl into the back of it. I've zoomed in for you, so it's this bit here, okay, at the back of the loop. So we've knitted half and then we're going to purl, but unlike the usual purl where your yarn's to the front, we can just keep our yarn at the back. Again, try and keep it nice and loose. Over and pop that off. Then we're going to knit into the front, into here. Watch they don't come off your needle. Yarn round. Pull off, but don't pop it off the left needle. And then, so we've made 3 stitches there. I want you to now go back into the back. Okay, and we are getting a little bit tighter here. And very last stitch, you're going to knit into the front again. So it's a total of 5 stitches. So you've made 4 more. But we are going to go back down to 1 stitch in a moment. I'll show you what to do. So that's why you want to keep your stitch on the row before nice and loose. Here we are. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial of the bobble stitch. It's a great stitch, really fun. Just make sure you go a bit looser in your stitches, or if your tension's tighter, maybe consider using half or a needle size up for the bobbly bit. Do go and check out our other videos of knitting stitches or subscribe so you never miss one. Thank you and take care.